Let me say something that might change how you see yourself. You're not lazy. You're emotionally exhausted. You don't lack discipline. You don't lack ambition. You don't lack potential. You're just tired in a way sleep can't fix. If you've been calling yourself lazy lately, stay with me. This might not be what you think it is. Section 1. What emotional exhaustion actually feels like. Emotional exhaustion doesn't look like lying in bed all day. Sometimes it looks like opening your laptop and closing it, starting a task and stopping halfway, making plans and canceling last minute. You want to do better, you intend to do better, but your energy feels gone. Not physically, emotionally. It's like your mind is tired of carrying everything. Section 2. Why you feel so drained. Here's the part most people miss. You're not tired from doing nothing. You're tired from doing too much internally. Overthinking, second-guessing, replaying conversations, comparing yourself to everyone else. That mental noise is exhausting, and because no one sees it, you start thinking you're just weak. You're not weak, you're overwhelmed. Section 3. The guilt loop that keeps you stuck. Here's what usually happens next. You don't have energy, so you procrastinate. Then you feel guilty. Then you shame yourself, then you feel even more drained, and the cycle repeats. You're not stuck because you don't care, you're stuck because you care so much that your mind never rests. Section 4. Rest isn't quitting, rest is repair. You don't fix a broken phone by yelling at it, you recharge it. Your mind works the same way. Rest isn't just sleep, it's letting go of constant pressure, not judging yourself for one day, giving your nervous system a break. That's not weakness, that's wisdom. Section 5. How to start moving again without burning out. Let's talk about how to get your momentum back. Not by forcing yourself, not by pushing harder, but by starting smaller than you think. Instead of, I need to fix my life, try, I'll do one small thing. One email, one walk, one paragraph, one glass of water. When you're emotionally exhausted, small wins rebuild trust with yourself, and self-trust brings energy back. Section 6. 3 practical shifts that actually help. Here are 3 shifts that changed everything for me. First, stop calling yourself lazy. Your brain believes what you repeat. Try, I'm tired, not broken. Second, lower your expectations temporarily. This isn't quitting, it's recovery. You're not lowering your standards forever, you're just giving yourself room to breathe. Third, protect your energy like it matters, because it does. Not everything deserves your time. Not everyone deserves your emotional labor. Boundaries aren't walls, they're doors you choose when to open. Ending and call to action. Let's recap. You're not lazy. You're emotionally exhausted. You don't need more pressure, you need more compassion. You don't need to fix everything today, you just need to start with one small thing. Tonight, do something gentle for yourself. Not productive, not impressive, just kind. One step, one breath, one moment of grace. Let's improve together.